A very good morning and Jai Hind, my dear students. Are you all ready to attend today's class? Well, I think that the answer is in yes. So, why not to start our today's class? Well, children, I need to congratulate all of you that you all have performed very good in yesterday's mock test. I just went through your result and everybody has performed very well. Very good job done, children. Now you need to prepare. Now see, you have got this was a kind of a trial round, right, where you got to know that how you have to give your test, how you have to appear for the test, right? So now children, your UT1 is arriving very soon. From the second week of August, your exams, your unit test will start, right? So for that you need to start preparing yourself well, right? And start learning the exercises that were taught to you before summer vacation, right? So hope that you are having the contents and notes with you. Day by day, slowly, we are going to give you a thorough revision for the unit test, children. So please don't miss the classes, okay? These classes are really very important because we will be revising the chapters. We'll try to prepare you all for the unit test so that when you appear for the test, you can just come out with the flying colors, right? You can excel in your test. That is my motto and that should be your aim too, right? So children, today in our English period, we will be doing a chapter. We are going to read out a lesson from our moral science book. All of you are having your moral science book? Yes, you have it, right? So this is your moral science book, right? So can you everyone just get your moral science book? We are going to read a story of someone who loves eating. So come on, everybody now, please be ready with your moral science book, pencil and eraser, right? I will just give you 10 seconds for this. So your time starts now. Hope that you all are ready. See, I am ready with my book. And today we are going to start lesson number 3. Lesson number 3. So all of you need to open page number 5 of your moral science book. Open page number 5 of your moral science book. So let's start reading out the story. What is the name of the story? Do you know that? The name of the story is Burger Belly. What is the name of the story? Burger Belly. You all know what is burger? I don't have to explain you about it, right? You all have eaten burger, right? You all, I guess, love also eating burgers, right? You go to McD, right? You eat burgers, along with that you eat French fries and then you have cold drink, right? At home also sometimes your mama prepares you the burger, right? We bring the breads and then your mama prepares the tikki and then she puts it in that with some sauce and some more stuff. The burger, she makes it ready for you, right? So you all are enjoying burgers, that I know. But do you know the meaning of belly? Well, the meaning of belly is stomach, right? The meaning of belly is stomach. So this story is about a boy whose belly is filled with burgers. Now, if somebody's belly is filled with burgers, what happens? Let's just read out the story and we will come to know about it, right? So, here is the story. It is all about eating habits, eating food, right? So let's read it out. Your mother tells you to eat green vegetables, right? But you like fast food. So read the story to know why Sam gave up eating fast food, right? So there's a boy in the story named as Sam, and he used to eat only and only fast foods. What are fast foods? Like the foods that are called as junk food, like pizza, burger, chips, ice creams, noodles, right? These pasta, these are all the junk foods, or you can say fast foods, which are not good at all for our health. So if we want to stay healthy, we need to eat green vegetables. But then Sam did not listen to his mother. So then let's see what happens. Let's start reading the story. So once there was a boy, Sam, who loved to eat fast food. Every week, Sam and his friend John ate a big burger with French fries and fizzy drink, right? So what they used to eat? Sam and his friend John, both of them, Sam and John, and they used to eat a big burger every evening, right? And every week. Along with that, they used to have French fries and drink fizzy, right? So one night in his dream, he saw two freshly made burgers with cheese, which said it to him, "Eat us, we are delicious." What did the burger say? What did the burger say? So one night in the dream of Sam came two burgers along with the cheese, and they said to Sam, "Eat us, we are very delicious." So Sam took the two big burgers that he saw in his dream and ate them with one mouthful. He just ate it in his dream, right? So soon he began feeling sick. So soon he began feeling sick, for he had eaten too much and too quickly, and his tummy was aching, right? What is the meaning of aching? Paining. Like when you get hurt sometimes, or sometimes your body or your stomach aches, pains, right? So his stomach starts aching. In his dream, he looked at himself in the mirror and saw that he got a belly as big as Santa Claus. So he shouted, "No!" What did he shout? "No!" And now what happened, you know? Sam woke up and ran to the bathroom mirror to check his tummy. It had all been a dream. Next Sunday, Sam and John met at the restaurant. Do you know what is restaurant? You go to the restaurants now, where you get different food items to eat, right? So on Sunday, then Sam and John, they went to the restaurant to eat. They met there and something strange happened. Do you know the meaning of strange? Strange means something unusual, बहुत ही अलग, right? So before eating, Sam stopped at the door and said, "John, I don't want a burger today. If we keep on eating so many, I will become fat and sick. So can we have a salad?" Surprised John asked, "So we are never going to eat burgers again?" "Of course we are. All I'm trying to say is that we could eat salads more than burgers," said Sam. So John said, "Yes, you are right. Let us get a nice salad," then replied John with a smile, right? So what did we learn from the story? That once again, just let me repeat it. There was a boy whose name was Sam, and he was fond of eating junk food. Yeah, yum, 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 yum. Every day he used to eat burgers. So John and his friend Sorry, Sam and his friend John. Every week they used to meet and eat burgers, big burgers. So one night what happened when Sam was sleeping? So in his dream, हम सब जब रात में सोते हैं तो सपना देखते हैं ना, ड्रीम देखते हैं ना. So in his dream, who came? कौन आया उसके ड्रीम में? Two big burgers along with lots of cheese. Mouth melting. So the burger said to him, what? Eat us, we are very tasty, right? So Sam just looking at the burgers, he got so desperate to eat, he just mugged up both the burgers and then he started feeling sick. Why? Because he ate too much at one time and then that also very fast. So soon he realized that something wrong is happening with him. He just ran to the bathroom to see the mirror. So when he stood in front of the mirror, what did he see? Oh my God, a big belly. Big belly. बड़ा सा बलून के जैसा पेट एकदम फूल गया है. Belly, right? And the belly was looking like just like Santa Claus. You have seen na Santa Claus has big belly. So he was also looking the same. So all of a sudden, Sam just woke up from the sleep and he understood that, oh my God, it was a dream. So he just ran immediately to see the mirror, right? So he stood in front of the mirror and he saw, oh, thank God, it was just a dream. So then he realized, no, I need to quit junk food. I need to quit fast food. Otherwise, it is going to be very, very dangerous, right? So then next week when Sam met John in the restaurant, so Sam was a little afraid and something very, very strange happened. Sam said that can we order a plate of salad instead of burger? John was so surprised. Wow, how can you say this? You are not going to eat burger? What happened? So John was very surprised to hear something like this from Sam. So Sam said that it's not very good to have burgers often, right? So I don't want to say that we are not going to have burgers ever, but yes, we can have more of salads and less of burgers. So John said, yes, yes, of course, let's order a plate of salad for both of us. Today we can have salad. Next time, some other time, we can have burger, right? So it was a very, very wise decision that was made by Sam as well as John, right? So Sam understood his mistake that if he keeps on eating junk food, he will grow fat and sick, right? And if he eat lots of veggies, fresh fruits, then he will stay active and healthy. John also understood that what Sam actually wants to say, and John also followed the same. So both of them ate salad, and then of course when they eat salad they ate a healthy food, so they made a healthy choice, and that's how the story ends. So can you tell me what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we need to eat healthy to stay healthy. If we want to stay healthy, active, energetic and want to live long, then we need to keep our health at first priority. And to maintain our health, we need to eat good foods. So here you can see in front of your computer screen, in front of my computer screen, you can see two pictures. See? This girl, she's eating fruits and vegetables, right? So look at her body. Aren't she healthy and active? Yes, she looks healthy and active. But on the other side, just look at the other boy. He's always eating burgers, ice creams, pizzas, jellies, something of all these things. And just look at him. Look at his physique. He has grown fat, he has a belly, right? And he is not very active and healthy. It looks, see, both the children, if you just compare, you can understand that this girl looks healthier than this boy, and it is all because of the choice that is made by the गर्ल ने अच्छे खाने को चूज किया है, इसलिए वो हेल्दी है, और बॉय ने गलत खाने को चूज किया है, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज अनहेल्दी, राइट? सो यू ऑल्सो नीड टू ऑप्ट फॉर अ healthy food, right? So this is what we have learned. To live a healthy life, we should eat green vegetables. You should happily eat the food that your mother cooks for you. Avoid fast food. Drink lots of water, right? Now see here, there are some meanings of the words that are there in the story, like fast food. So what is the meaning of fast food? Cooked food sold as quick meal, right? Aching means sharp pain. Restaurant means place where people sit and eat cooked meals and pay for it. And what is the meaning of strange? Surprising. So you need to learn these meanings, okay? And these are the questions, beta. So this we are going to do it orally. You don't need to write the answers of these questions, because moral science is an oral subject. It won't be, you don't need to make a notebook for this, you don't need to make a copy for this. You just have to do the book exercises in the book, and no need to do the question answers, because this is your moral science is your oral subject, right? So let us now read out the first question. What did Sam and John eat every week? Tell me, what did Sam and John eat every week? Burger, right? Now, number 2. In his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? Okay, so just tell me, Sam had a belly like whom? Who comes with the gift? Santa Claus, yes. Number 3. If Sam kept eating the burgers, what would happen to him? अगर सैम बर्गर्स खाता ही रहेगा तो उसके साथ क्या होगा? He would grow fat and sick. He would grow fat and sick, right? Number 4. Why should you have vegetables more than fast food? Why? Because vegetables keep us healthy and active, right? And fast food makes us fat and dull and sick also. So that's why we should eat more of green vegetables and less of junk food, right? Now, let us do the second exercise. This you need to do it, okay? Here are some food items. Fill your plate with what you think is healthy. One has been done for you. So you can see there are some food items. The pictures are there. And if whichever food item you feel that it is healthy for you, you should eat it to stay healthy. You have to put it in this plate. Like see, one has already been done. Like carrots, right? So carrots are, yes, very healthy. So just you need to draw a line so that you can just show a way that this is the plate, and you need to, all the healthy foods need to come on this plate, right? Now let's talk about this one, milk. Is milk a healthy choice? A healthy food to eat? A healthy food to drink? Yes, we need to drink milk because it keeps us healthy. So this we are supposed to make a arrow to show that yes, it should be there in our plate. Now, should we eat toffees? No, it is unhealthy. Well, should we eat noodles? These noodles, are they healthy? No, not at all. These are fast foods. We don't need to eat them very often. Sometimes we can have it. Once in a month, twice in a month, it's fine. Right? Now, let's see. Okay, French fries. Are they good for health? No, not at all. They are very fried stuff. They contain lot of salt. So it's not good for our health, right? Now let's see these strawberries. Are they good for our health? Yes, they are good for health. Pineapple? Yes, pineapple is good for our health. Pizza? No, pizza is unhealthy. Okay, cold drinks? No, cold drinks are also unhealthy, right? Nuts. Yes, nuts are healthy. We need to eat them, right? So let's just make an arrow with the pictures that are healthy. Like pineapple is healthy, so we will just mark it to show the way to the plate. The next one, strawberries. So strawberries are healthy. And then again next, nuts. Nuts are healthy. So these are some of the foods that are healthy and they need to be in our plate, right? Understood? Everybody has done it. Please do it. The way I drew the line to show that all the foods they need to come on my plate. These are healthy options. So please you also draw a line so that they can come to your plate. Done? Now let's jump to the next exercise. Exercise number 3, right? Tick the correct option and fill in the blanks where needed. Eating too much fast food makes us, अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट फूड खाते हैं तो हमें क्या हो जाता है? Makes us weak, sick, wealthy और healthy. हम वीक हो जाएंगे, कमज़ोर हो जाएंगे, सिक बीमार पड़ जाएंगे, वेल्दी हो जाएंगे, पैसे वाले हो जाएंगे या हेल्दी हो जाएंगे. एंड द ऑप्शन इज sick. Yes. So if we eat too much of fast food, we will get sick. Right? Now, number 2. What should you drink every morning to grow healthy and strong? What you should drink every morning to stay healthy and strong? Should you drink cold drink? No, not at all. Tea? Okay, coffee? No. Milk? Yes. We need to drink milk every morning. Number 3. Fast food is unhealthy because it has more. फास्ट फूड में क्या चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है जिसे हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए, अवॉइड करना चाहिए? वाटर ज़्यादा होता है, टेस्ट ज़्यादा होता है, सॉल्ट ज़्यादा होता है या ऑयल ज़्यादा होता है? यस, सॉल्ट एंड ऑयल दोनों ही हो सकता है, बट हियर वी विल पुट अ टिक फॉर सॉल्ट बिकॉज फास्ट फूड में यस सॉल्ट तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होता है, राइट? Now this one, see, know yourself. Circle the food items you have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Do you have healthy meals? So you can just check that are you eating healthy meal or not. So this is your homework. Okay beta, this is your homework. ये आपको क्या करना है, उन वर्ड्स को सर्कल करना है जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में लेते हैं, लाइक मिल्क, ब्रेड, बनाना, एप्पल, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स, बटर जैम, egg, oats. So what all you are eating, just circle them. In the lunch, what you eat, like chapati, green vegetables, dal, rice, curd, paneer, meat, chicken or fish, whatever you are eating, you have to just circle those food items, right? The dinner, then what you have, chapati, green vegetables, dal, rice, curd, salad, paneer, meat, chicken or fish. So whatever you are having for the dinner, you have to just circle them. Okay? Understood, Babu? Everyone? Great. Now, this one. See, know the world around you. Life skills. Next time you visit the supermarket with your mother, note the healthy food items sold there. Why are most of these items sold fresh? Ask your mother to tell you the names of all the vegetables and fruit you see there. So which all fruits and vegetables you see there, all the grocery stuffs, right? So you get different fruits, different vegetables, all healthy grocery stuffs like dal, pulses, grains, right? And sometimes you also get, there's a corner where you get all the junk food items, right? But then, just leave that portion and opt for the healthy food items, right? Yeah, okay. Now, number 2, do you eat home cooked food happily? Okay, I don't think so. मुझे लगता है मम्मा को बहुत परेशान आप करते होंगे खाने के लिए, ये नहीं खाना, वो नहीं खाना। मुझे मम्मा ने बताया था आपके कि मुझे बहुत परेशान करता है ना? करते हो क्या मम्मा को परेशान? नहीं करना है, ठीक है? हेल्दी फूड खाना है, हेल्दी फूड खाएंगे तभी तो आप हेल्दी बनेंगे, नहीं तो क्या होगा? अनहेल्दी बनेंगे, आपके बोन्स वीक रह जाएंगे, नाक पर चश्मा आकर बैठ जाएगा, बहुत ही कम एज में नाक में चश्मा आकर बैठ जाएगा, है ना? और फिर आप आपका हाइट नहीं बढ़ेगा, है कि नहीं? आप हेल्दी नहीं होंगे, माइंड शार्प नहीं होगा। सो अगर हमें इन सब चीज़ों से बचना है तो हमें हेल्दी फूड तो खाना ही है, ठीक है? So this is your homework, okay? Write the name of 3 dishes cooked by your mother which you enjoy eating, जिसे आप खाना बहुत पसंद करते हैं, आपकी मम्मा का फेवरेट डिशेस जो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है। अब क्या क्या चीज़ें अच्छी लगती है? जैसे मुझे मेरी मम्मा के हाथ की मटर पनीर बहुत अच्छी लगती है, एंड मैं तो अपने बुक में मटर पनीर लिखने वाली हूँ। एंड मुझे मेरे मम्मा के हाथ की कढ़ी भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। एंड थर्ड थिंग है, मुझे मेरी मम्मा के हाथ के पराठे भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। तो मैं तो ये 3 चीज़ें लिखने वाली हूँ। आप अपने फेवरेट चीज़ें लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन याद रखिएगा जंक फूड आइटम्स मत लिख दीजिएगा, मम्मा के हाथ का पिज़्ज़ा अच्छा लगता है। नहीं, हेल्दी चीज़ों को लिखना है ना? Right? So this one also, this is your homework. Join the dots and complete the picture of this fruit basket. Color the picture. आपको तो सबको बस ड्रॉ और कलर करना तो बहुत पसंद है, आई नो दैट। मैं भी जब आपके जैसा छोटी थी तो मुझे भी ड्रॉ करना, कलर करना बहुत पसंद था। बिल्कुल करना चाहिए आपको, इससे आपकी क्रिएटिविटी भी डेवलप होती है, राइट? सो यू शुड डू इट। दिस इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क। आप सब बच्चों को अपना अपना होमवर्क कर लेना है। एंड देखो, इसमें सबसे बड़ा लेसन जो आज हमने सीखा, to grow healthy and strong, eat fresh and green vegetables, ठीक है? सारे बच्चों को क्या करना है जल्दी से मुझे बताओ। मैम कुछ तो चेंज कर रही हैं, तब तक बच्चे सोच लेंगे। जल्दी से बताओ मैम को क्या आंसर देना है। हेल्दी रहना है तो क्या खाना है? हेल्दी फूड। हेल्दी फूड क्या होता है बताओ तो? जंक फूड नहीं ना? क्या होता है? green vegetables, grains, pulses, right? These are all healthy food. ठीक है? तो मम्मा आपसे जो घर पे बनाएगी, बिना मम्मा को परेशान किए, नाक ऐसे बिना किए, फेस ऐसे किए बिना, खुशी खुशी happily you will eat your food. Okay? So that's it for today. Complete your work, complete your homework. We will meet again in our next period. Till then, just take care of yourself. Bye.